雨 means rain, and its shape looks like two storm clouds floating in the sky with 3 big rainfalls and 4 little raindrops falling from them. For example, rain, 下雨 rainy day, 雨天 guāng means light, and its shape resembles a candle placed on a table, going off 2 beams of light. For example, moonlight, 月光 sunlight, 日光 金 means gold. The character 金 looks like a house. Inside the house, there is a safe. Inside the safe, gold is stored. So, the character 金 frequently used to represent valuable objects like gold. For example, gold, 黄金 cash, 现金 鬼 means ghost. The top part of the character 鬼 is the skull, and the 2 long button strokes are its leg bones. The lines on the side, 丝 are its extra bones. For example, ghost, 鬼魂 haunted house, 鬼屋
雨
雨
光
光
金
金
鬼
鬼